Hi friends, welcome to a new vlog. I hope you're doing well. I've been having a really good week. My best friend Mackenzie got into town, I think early Monday morning, and we met up on Tuesday. We spent the day together. We had lunch, had a nice long walk through town. We just hung out at the house, got some dinner, and then yesterday on Wednesday we went on a hike and just also kind of relaxed. She left and hung out with like her boyfriend's family a little bit. I think she's coming back tonight. We hung out a little bit this morning also. It's just been so good seeing her. I didn't really want to vlog while she's around. I just wanted to enjoy the moment. I don't get to see her very much since she lives up in Montana, but I'm so happy she's in town. I'm so happy to be seeing her. She'll go home early next week, so I'm excited to just hopefully continue seeing her off and on for the next few days. It's just been so wonderful. I miss having her here all the time. I'm gonna have to go visit her up in Montana soon. I really want to see what like that neck of the woods is like. But I wanted to pop on and say hello. She's over with her boyfriend's family right now, so I've just been getting some YouTube work done. I just filmed this look. I filmed a little Instagram video and TikTok with the Wicked Widow Beauty Scissor Hands 2 palette. So cute. So I think that'll be up by the time this vlog goes up. I honestly don't remember when this vlog is going up. Let me check my schedule. Let me get it together. Oh yeah, this will for sure be up by the time this vlog goes up. But we're gonna have some fun this weekend. The Medieval Fair is in town, so we're gonna do that, I think on Saturday. So I'll bring you along to that. I'll show you what I can. I think we'll be with friends, so my vlogging will be limited because I like to try to be in the moment as much as possible, but I do want to bring you along and show you the fair festivities. I don't plan on dressing up just because I don't really have anything medieval to wear to the medieval fair, so I'm just gonna dress as myself and have a good time and eat lots of yummy food. Well, hopefully. Usually it's very meat heavy at a medieval fair, but I'm sure there'll be some yummy desserts. I think we're gonna see M3GAN tonight, just depending on what we feel like doing later. If Mackenzie's back by then, probably not, but if she's still out with her boyfriend's family, we might go see it, and that'll be fun. I've been really looking forward to seeing that. And oh my gosh, I was just scrolling on Instagram and I saw that Blend Bunny is about to launch a new collection. They haven't revealed it as of this moment, but I'm so super excited. I could not be more pumped. This Lure palette, this is all they've shared so far, and this really beautiful like cinematic like mermaidy type video. You'll have to go watch it on their Instagram. It's so pretty. I did my nails the other day. Look how beautiful. I think this is the best job I've done so far. This is Mercury's Tears from Mooncat, but I have heartbreaking news. I literally broke my bottle of nail polish after painting my nails. It was horrible. I've only gotten to wear this on my nails twice so far, but I'll probably have to repurchase it. I'll buy it next time there's a sale because this color is too pretty not to repurchase, you know what I mean? We also got a new air fryer. I learned that Drew Barrymore has an appliance brand or like kitchenware brand, home brand, whatever you want to call it, at Walmart. So I bought a new air fryer because I wanted a newer, bigger one anyways, and the Drew Barrymore one is just beautiful. So I'll go show that to you downstairs. It's quite cute. I haven't used it yet, so I can't tell you like how it is as far as like the quality goes, but it's beautiful and huge and amazing. And let me go show it to you. Look at this beauty. We have so much leftover candy from Christmas and honestly a little bit of Halloween as well, but it is huge. This kind of like blinks on and off because it's a touch screen. There's all these different settings, so I can like air fry, start. It's kind of beastly but it's super cool. It has the 2 pockets. I'm just super impressed. I like this a lot. This is our old one over here. I'm actually gonna give it to Mackenzie's mom because they need a new one anyways. So this was our old one for size reference. So I'm super excited to have that new one. Right, babies? Have you been enjoying playing in the box it came in? Yeah? You guys having a good day? Oh, that was a cute yawn. So yeah, that's the vibe so far today. I'm gonna go edit a little bit, work on what I just filmed. I filmed this in a little makeup wish list video. And then if we see M3GAN tonight, I'll bring you along and let you know how it goes. Hello and happy Friday. I realized as soon as we got home, I just did not even vlog. I did not tell you about the movie at all. I just immediately went to the bathroom, washed my face, and went straight to sleep because we were waking up at 6 a.m. today for F45, which was a pretty challenging class today, but it was pretty fun and I feel just very energized and invigorated, and it's gonna be a good day. But M3GAN was good. It was like dumb, but in a good way. It was pretty entertaining, definitely some funny moments. Overall, I liked the story. You definitely have to suspend a lot of disbelief, you know what I mean? Like, it's very unrealistic, but I thought it was a good time. If you're interested in it at all, I think it's worth a watch. I thought it was silly. I don't know how much like rewatch value it would have for me, but I'm glad that I saw it. I thought it was entertaining, and it's pretty much what I wanted it to be. Today is just a good Friday, you know? It's actually Friday the 13th, so love a little bit of spookiness in the middle of January. I just did some YouTube work. I filmed this look for Instagram and TikTok, and then I filmed a chatty video. I think all of that will be on my channel probably after this video goes up. Although the Instagram video / TikTok might be up by the time this vlog goes up. I don't even know. I have like so much filming I need to do. There's so many cool things coming out soon, so I'm trying to like prep for that. But yeah, today's just a work day. I'm gonna work on a bunch of YouTube stuff and then head off to the salon, and that's pretty much gonna be it. I don't think I'm getting any packages or anything delivered today, but if I do, I'll show you them later. But tomorrow, I mentioned yesterday, we're gonna go to the medieval fair, and I'm so excited. It's gonna be a good time. And then Sunday, I'm kind of hoping Zane and I can go on a hike, because I had a really fun time going on a hike with Mackenzie the other day. I just remembered Zane and I are both off on Monday because of the holiday, so I don't know what we're gonna do on Monday. I know Mackenzie mentioned she might wanna go to St. Augustine with us, so we might do that with her since she's still in town. But we'll see. It's all just kind of up in the air. I'm just kind of enjoying the days as they come, trying not to stress about the future, and just trying to coast and enjoy things as they come. So that's the plan today, just some work. I just wanted to pop on really quick and give you an update on the movie since I completely bailed on that yesterday. So yeah, I will see you either tonight if anything is going on, or tomorrow for the medieval fair. Good morning, Felix. Look how cute you are. You're such a good baby hanging out by the window. Hi friends, and happy Saturday. We are about to go to the medieval fair. I just finished getting ready. I just filmed this little look for Instagram and TikTok just because I was getting ready anyways. And now we're gonna go head out the door and enjoy some festivities, eat some snacks, see some shows, do some shopping maybe, all that good stuff. So let's get to it. Oh, this is the best I've ever looked in my whole life. I realized I should probably vlog a little bit just so I can chat about today, because I almost just went to bed without talking to you anymore. We got a couple things. Let me just set you down. I got him. Look how freaking cute. I can't take it. He's the best. Cutest little angel ever. It's from this brand called Never Too Old for Dolls, thegothlings.com. Super, super cute. And then Zane got this staff.
I got a staff from a wizard. Ooh, look at that focusing right on that crystal. Citrine crystal, maple wood staff. Dude literally had a wizard hat. He made them all, and I was like, I gotta have one.
Yeah, he was super cute. I didn't vlog as much as I thought I would just because when we were hanging out with friends. Yeah. And then also I felt weird about filming in everyone's spaces because like I didn't know what I was allowed to film and what I wasn't. So yeah, you get what you get. I think tomorrow we're gonna go to a farmer's market though that I just discovered in town. I don't know if it's in town often, but it's in town tomorrow at least. It's like a plant-based farmer's market, and they also have like rescued cows and pigs, which is super, super sweet. So we might do that tomorrow. Might hang out with Mackenzie tomorrow depending on her plans. And that's about it for right now. So I'm gonna start getting ready for bed. Hello, I'm in my messy brunch bun era. We're heading to brunch actually with Mackenzie and her boyfriend Trevor. And we already ate, technically we ate like 2 hours ago because we're the old people that go to bed early and wake up early.
Early
but
risers.
I'm not gonna not go with them either, so I'll probably just get like a mimosa and we'll split some grits or something. And then we're going to that farmer's market. Mackenzie's joining us for that. I don't know if Trevor is. Unclear.
We'll find out.
I guess we'll find out, yeah. It's such a beautiful day. I feel like the last few days the sky's just been like bright blue. Like no clouds, just bright, and it's nice and chilly today. I think it's like literally like 40 degrees right now, or maybe colder. Oh, it's 31 degrees right now, actually. No, it's 40. It was 31 like an hour ago.
Yeah, it's warming up.
It warms up fast in Florida. I think it's gonna get to like 58 today, but regardless, why are we talking about weather? Yeah, it's just gonna be a good day. I wanna kiss a cow. I don't know if I'm gonna kiss a cow, but I wanna look at a cow at least. I wanna kiss it right between the eyes. And then, I don't know what's at this farmer's market, so I don't know how much we'll buy, but I'm excited to at least look at things. We need some groceries anyway.
Yeah, we need some groceries, so we'll pick them up today, right?
Yeah, that's the idea. We're almost done with Kaleidoscope on Netflix. We have 2 more episodes to go. I mentioned I don't know what video it was that I mentioned it in, but we've been watching them chronologically according to like how online tells you to watch it chronologically. Chronologically, it's not the default that's on Netflix. Because with the show you can watch it in whatever order. It's pretty good. I don't feel like it's that revolutionary though. It's just, you can watch it in any order in the sense that it's just like the lead up to the heist itself, and then after the heist, so you can kind of just watch it in different orders. We ended up just doing chronological, but I don't know. I don't feel like it's that creative of a like, watch in any order that you want. It changes your experience. Like, I don't know how much my experience would have been changed.
Yeah, it doesn't seem like the way that they tell the story that you would get a ton out of any order. I mean, I like the order that we're watching.
Same.
I mean, chronological. It does feel like it's kind of ended. Like, there's 2 episodes left of what happens after, but it does feel like it's over, kind of, with the actual heist we just watched.
Right.
That's the order we're doing. So we'll see. We'll see what happens.
Yeah, it's okay. I don't know if it's like I could have lived without it probably, but I'm not mad that I watched it.
I like the characters, you know, I like heists and stuff like that, so it's been interesting. Kept
the
my
only
attention.
good heists are the Halloween heists in Brooklyn Nine-Nine.
Oh my god.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh god.
Here. What if I do it like this?
Just put it.
Put it in his mouth.
They're not gonna bite you.
Oh.
Put it-
I'm sorry.
Ooh.
Oh my gosh, its tongue is so rough.
Oh. I got one. Yeah. They're gentle.
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 Gentle. Hey, baby. Oh, this is the one you like the most.
He heard me talking about him. He said, oh.
Hi, baby. I love you. Oh, hello.
It's the
I
tiny
love
boy.
this baby. I love him.
Oh, hello. Oh, yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh,
that's
yeah.
slobber. We can't see.
Yeah, I don't have any food. I'm sorry.
You're so cute. I want to touch your soft.
Hey, they keep coming up to me.
All right.
They know. They want the camera.
Here,
Yeah.
keep waiting for Noah. I think he dropped it.
Aww. They're very gentle.
Yeah, baby. They're little floppy ears. Oh. That one's after you, Mackenzie.
Look at them.
Hello and happy Wednesday? Thursday? It's Wednesday. Getting all of my days mixed up. I just got done filming this little look. I'm probably gonna just work on editing for a little bit. Played with the new Nomad palette. I got it in the mail yesterday, I think. Yes, I got it in the mail yesterday. It's so pretty. My video with this will already be up by the time this vlog goes up, but it is gorgeous. I did this look mostly with like this side of the palette, and I'm gonna film a second look tomorrow in the same video with that side of the palette, but it's so pretty. Just look how gorgeous this is. I'm absolutely obsessed. It's so super pretty. I cannot wait to keep playing with it. I'm so sad that Mackenzie flew home yesterday morning. I miss her so much. I hate that like so many of my like best friends in the whole world like live in completely different parts of the country than me, but you know, it just gives me an excuse to visit other places. Anne and I are talking about maybe going and spending time in Montana with her and her boyfriend next February, so we will see. I think that'd be fun. I think that'd be a fun time of year to go because it'll be all snowy and I can watch them ski. I'm sure not gonna ski, but that'll be fun, so we might do that. I already miss her so much though. She's been my best friend since we were like, gosh, I think I was 15 when we met and she was probably like 12. It's been quite a while, but I just love and adore her so much and I miss her already, but it's okay. We will just reconnect and things will be wonderful every time we see each other. She's one of those friends where like we can be apart and not even talk on a regular basis for like a long time. And then as soon as we reconnect again, it's like no time has passed. And that's, I feel like, the best kind of friendship ever. But yeah, I just wanted to pop on and say hello, show you that I got the new Nomad palette. I don't know what's going on the rest of the week. I feel like I'm just getting back into like work grind mode, especially after spending time with Mackenzie. So yeah, that's about it. I know I have some palettes on the way to me. I know the Blend Bunny palette is on the way to me and the new multi-chrome quad. I think that comes on Saturday, last time I checked the tracking. Let's see. I would love for it to be here right now because I want to swatch it so badly. I just want to play with everything. Yeah, as of right now, it's coming in on Saturday, so that's exciting. And then I also have the Game Beauty Phantom Thieves collection on its way. It hasn't updated past pre-shipment yet, so hopefully it'll be on its way soon. I'm so super excited. Zane and I actually started playing Persona 5 yesterday because I was getting really excited for that Phantom Thieves collection to arrive to me, and he played it a while ago, like probably 3 years ago or something like that, maybe even 4. We were looking at his PlayStation like achievements last night. I think they were like 2018 and 2019 is when he played it last, so it's been quite a while, but I'm liking it so far. We aren't super deep into the story. We've only just done like, I think our second or third day at the school, and we've gone to the castle. I think we're in the castle for the second time. So I don't know most of the characters that are in that collection yet, but I'm excited to continue playing it and exploring it more. So yeah, that's the update. We have kickboxing tonight after work, and maybe we'll just play some more Persona 5 and then head off to bed. So yeah, I will update you when I have other things coming in or just anything exciting happening in general. Hope you're having a good week. I'll catch you later. Hi, Felix. Are you enjoying your morning? It's such a good day out today. Leela, darling, how about you? Are you having the time of your life out here? Such beautiful weather we're having. You look gorgeous today. Hi, Edelyn. I can barely see you. I'm surprised you're not outside. You just want to hang out in your bucket next to the window? You look brown in the sun. You look so cozy. Hi, Epsa. Are you enjoying a little drink in your little fountain? Hi, Kanade. You look lovely today as well. Hello and happy Friday. Look what arrived yesterday. The Lure palette. It's so pretty. I'm so excited about it. Hi, Felix. Come here, buddy. You're so cute. I also got the Trove multi-chrome quad. It's so pretty. I filmed a little swatch video for TikTok last night. Felix is rubbing his head all over me. You're such a sweet boy. Look how cute you are. And I just got done filming my YouTube video. I'm actually gonna edit and upload the video right now before I head off to work. So that'll already be up by the time this vlog goes up. It's a nice day. It's Friday. We went to F45 this morning. It was a really fun class. And I'm just getting some YouTube work done now, and I'm gonna work until the end of the evening, and then I'll probably just come home and we'll probably play more Persona 5 because we're trying to get through. We only played for like 30 minutes the other night. We didn't really play yesterday since we were gonna be waking up early for class this morning, but I'm enjoying the game so far. I'm excited to keep playing with it. I think my Phantom Thieves collection from Game Beauty will be here hopefully by early next week, and then I'll film with it. It's going back on the site on the 30th, I believe, so I really want to have a video up either that day or right before, so that you have some info on what to expect and the quality and how the products work and all the good things, and I'm really excited to play with everything. But I've made the executive decision to end the vlog right here because I don't think much is going to happen over the next couple days. I'm just going to be working a lot, and then on Sunday, if I still feel motivated by then, I might do a little like closet clean out and reorganize my clothes a little bit and donate some things that I'm not like wearing anymore, and maybe tossing some things that are past their prime. So I think I might vlog that for the next vlog, but we'll see. If it doesn't happen next vlog, it's because I lost all motivation. But as of right now, I'm really interested in doing that, so that might be next time. But thank you so much for hanging out and watching. I feel like we had some fun this time. I loved going to the cow rescue. It was really cute. I loved petting all of them. But I will catch you next time. If you made it to the end of this video, why don't you leave some cow emojis since I pet a lot of cows? And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. That helps my channel out a lot. And if you're not already, you can follow me on my other socials. You can join the battybean fam. I am battybean on everything: Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. And if you want, you can subscribe. If you want to see more of my videos, I'm posting most days here as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.